Hello and welcome to moinframe. My name is Justus, and in today's quick tip I will show you an easy way to simplify snippet calls. In my projects I'm often using an icon snippet to render an icon from an SVG sprite. The snippet is called icon and it kind of looks like this. So we have two arguments, a name and a size with fallback 1em. And then it generates a bit of markup to load the SVG sprite and the correct symbol in there. The SVG sprite is generated during build, and I don't want to get too much into detail here because the snippet is just an example. Now to the tip. So if we want to use this snippet, maybe in the intro here, we have to write the normal snippet syntax, right? So snippet. Then it's called icon, and then there are the arguments of name. Let's put in the smiley, and we can put in the size as well. I mean, this will be defaulted, but for the long run, it's this, and we save it, move to the front end, and there's our little icon. But this kind of looks quite cumbersome to me, especially when it's just an icon. So for complex snippets, of course, the syntax works perfectly fine. But for an icon, it could be a bit better to read and smaller to write, I think. Wouldn't it be nice to just get rid of this and echo out icon and just put in file smile here? Let's see how we do this. So first of all, we add a new plugin to our site plugins folder. So under site, we create a new folder called plugins. And in here, we can create a new folder called project helper, for example. And in there, the index.php file. And in this index file, we just add our icon method, just like this. And as you can see, our function icon is just a wrapper around the snippet function, and it gets the same arguments as the snippet needs. But the trick is to make sure that the snippet is rendered in HTML. And this is done through the third argument of true. And that's it. If we go to the front end and reload, everything stays the same. We can, of course, change the icon, let's say, YouTube, and everything is rendered perfectly. Do you also use these kinds of short methods? What are your favorite use cases? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!